Hi dear students, last class we have discussed about trigonometric ratios, its definitions, its inverse functions, and based on that we solved some of the questions of exercise 8.1. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Before that, which are the 6 trigonometric ratios of angle A? For angle A, which are the 6 trigonometric ratios? That is sine A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, and cot A. Isn't it, students? This we have already discussed in the previous class, and we must know this in the same order. That will be helpful for you. Okay, now in this class we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Okay, so which are the specific angles that you have to learn in grade 10th? That is for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, here we will discuss the values of these specific angles of this trigonometric ratios. Okay, students. So first, to know sine A. So this table will be helpful for you to understand, to get the values of each of these angles. For example, sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Similarly, cosec 60, cosec 45, sec 90. All the values we are going to discuss. It's very easy only. Okay. So first, what we will do is we need to just by heart the values of 5 values of sine A. So with that, we will be able to write the remaining values of all the 5 trigonometric ratios. Okay, so for that, first we will just learn values of sine A. Okay, so sine 0, 0, sine 30 it is 1 by 2, 45 it is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 60 it is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 it is 1. Okay, students, the values of only sine A you just by heart very thoroughly. Okay, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. This you must be very thorough. Okay, and these angles also you must learn in order. Okay, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. And so for these angles, for these specific angles, the values of sine, it is what? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. Okay, only this you have to by heart, and the remaining we can create ourselves with the help of this. Okay, hope it is clear. Okay, so sine A, the values of sine A, it is what? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Just learn it as a song, like a song, how you will learn, just learn it. Okay, read it as fast as possible so it is easy for you to by heart. Okay, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. And the angles, these specific angles, which are the specific angles? We don't want to learn about 25 or 100 or those 180 and all, we need not learn. We just want the specific angles in grade 10. So which are they? That is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. These 5 angles also you just by heart in the same order. Okay. Now to get the values of cos A, what we will do is, just listen here students, to get the values of cos A, we will use the values of sine A. How? Sine A values, we will just write in the reverse order. The values of sine A, to get the values of cos A, we will write the values of sine A in the reverse order. That is, the last value of sine will be the first value of cos. Hope it is clear. The second last value of sine, that is root 3 by 2, will be the second value of cos. Okay, and here 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, that is third value will be the third value. Now the second value of sine will be the second last value of cos. Hope it is clear. First value of sine will be the last value of cos. Hope it is clear. Easy, isn't it? Just rewrite these values in the reverse order. Values of sine, when we write in the reverse order, we will get the values of cos. Okay, now we got cos 0. What is cos 0? That is 1. What is cos 30? That is root 3 by 2. What is cos 45? That is 1 by root 2. What is the value for cos 60? That is 1 by 2. And what is the value of cos 90? That is 0. Hope it is clear. Easy, isn't it, students? Now we have discussed about the values of sine and cos A. Okay, sine A we will just by heart. To get the values of cos A, we will write the values of sine A in the reverse order. Hope it is clear. Now we will go to tan A. Tan A. Students, just keep in your mind for tan function, we can write it as what? Tan A, it is what? Sine A by cos A. Okay, tan we can write it as sine A by cos A. How can we write tan as sine A by cos A? I'll just show you that. Sine, by definition, sine it is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Isn't it? Cos, what is that? That is adjacent by hypotenuse. Isn't it? So this hypotenuse we can cancel here right now. So what's remaining? That is opposite by adjacent. Isn't it? Opposite by adjacent is what? That is the definition for tan. Okay. So in short, we can write tan as sine A by cos A. Hope it is clear. Okay. Tan is equal to sine by cos. Keep in your mind. Tan is equal to sine by cos. So what will be cot in that case? We know cot is inverse of tan, isn't it? So definitely cot A, it will be inverse of tan, that is inverse of this function, that is cos A by sine A. Hope it is clear, isn't it? Tan it will be sine A, but tan is tan A it is sine A by cos A. So definitely cos A it will be cos A by sine A. Hope it is clear. Okay, so now we are going to find the values of tan A. So tan by definition we can write as sine by cos, isn't it? So sine by cos. Each values of sine we are going to divide to get the values of tan. Okay, so tan 8 is sine by cos. So 0 by 1. That is what? 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Here we have 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Then what's remaining? That is 1 by root 3, isn't it? So here we will get value of tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. Hope it is clear. Now tan 45, that will be sine by cos, that is 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Root 2, both root 2 will get cancelled, that is 1 by 1, that is 1, isn't it? That is 1. Okay students, now we have root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Both the 2's will get cancelled, that is root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1, that is root 3, isn't it? So we got here tan 60, it is root 3. Now we have 1 by 0. 1 divided by 0, that is not possible to divide 1 by with 0, any number with 0. So that we can write it as what? Not defined. That is not defined. Hope it is clear. Okay, now the values of tan we got. So tan 0 it is 0, tan 30 it is 1 by root 3, tan 45 it is 1, tan 60 it is root 3, and tan 90 it is not defined. Hope it is clear. Okay, now to get the value of cosec, to get the values of cosec, what we have to do? We know cosec is inverse of sine, isn't it? We have studied cosec is inverse of sine. So to get the values of cosec, what we have to do is take the reciprocals of the values of sine and just draw it. Okay, so that is what 1 by 0. To get the values of cosec here, 1 by 0, it is what? Again, it's not defined. To get the value of cosec 30, sine 30, just take its inverse. 1 by 2. What is inverse of 1 by 2? That is 2. 1 by root 2. Take its inverse. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2. It is root 2. Isn't it? Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Now reciprocal of root 3 by 2. That will be 2 by root 3. Okay. And reciprocal of 1. 1 by 1. That is 1. Hope it is clear. Now similarly, sec A. Sec is inverse function of cos theta, isn't it? Sec A is inverse function of cos A. So taking the reciprocal of all the values of cos, we will get all the values of sec for this specific angles. So sec A, so 1, reciprocal of 1, it is 1 by 1, that is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2, that is what? 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, its reciprocal is what? That is root 2, isn't it, students? Similarly, reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2. Now reciprocal of 0, that is 1 by 0, that is what? Not defined. Hope it is clear. Okay, students. Now finally, cot A. Cot A. We know cot is the inverse function of tan, isn't it? Cot is the inverse function of tan. So to get the value of cot, what we will do is, we'll just take the inverse functions of tan. Okay, reciprocal of tan. So 0, 1 by 0 is what? Not defined. Keep in your mind, 1 by 0 it is not defined. Not defined. Now 1 by root 3. What is reciprocal of 1 by root 3? That is root 3 by 1. That is equal to what? Root 3, isn't it? That is root 3. Okay, students. Now what is the reciprocal of 1? 1 by 1, that is 1. What is the reciprocal of root 3? That is 1 by root 3. Okay. And here cot 90. What will be cot 90? That is cot, it is sine by cos, isn't it? That is 1 by 0, that is 0. Okay, students. Please take it to your notebook neatly. This trigonometric table is very useful, and based on this there will be so many questions where we will have to substitute these values. Okay, hope it is clear. And for the exam, you just need to by heart these trigonometric ratios and the angles and the values of sine. With the help of this, you will be able to write the remaining values. Okay, and wherever it is required from the table, you can take and substitute. Hope it is clear. Just take it to your notebook neatly, students. Thank you.